everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. I love this color combination. It's bright red. It's got the red vinyl interior, the white vinyl top with the white super sport striping. Just a good looking car. Big block 396 automatic, 12 bolt with the F41 rear suspension. Just a nice car. We bought it at a show down in North Carolina, but the car is actually out of Georgia. Good solid straight body, good strong running big block 396 underneath the hood, 3-inch exhaust. Pretty car. It's got chrome American Racing torque thrust wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Good looking car, good straight body. Like I say, if you're looking for a nice Chevelle, this is a good looking car. I love that color combo. Car sits good. It's kind of got that good aggressive muscle car stance. Chrome and stainless are nice. A real vibrant red on the car. See that dash in there is nice. I love that red interior. Vinyl top's in great shape. Nice and straight down the sides, got good rubber on it. I believe those are 8-inch Americans all the way around it. So they got some depth to the wheel. A little kind of fading in the chrome there, but really a nice car. Sorry guys, just a little dust on it. I'm trying to knock these things out today. It's bitter cold, but at least we got sunshine. It's got front disc brakes. Again, it's got a cammed up 396. It really sounds good. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, hooker headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It was a factory air car. You can see they've closed the box off, but detailed up really nice underneath the hood. They've really done the inner fender wells nice. Pretty car. Guys, that's just a little glue coming off. I can try to fix that. You see, we can just put a little glue on the back of that piece there, and it'll pop right back on. bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt column with a factory SS steering wheel. $78,118 on the odometer. That is supposed to be original. We are going to have to get a sending unit for the gauge. The fuel gauge aftermarket gauges there. AM FM radio. Again, it's got 3-inch dual exhaust, 12-volt stock type gear, 323, 331. It's got the F41 rear suspension. Slick car. It's all spackle paint in the trunk like it should be. Little touch-up mark there on the paint. Like I said, don't try to tear them apart, guys, but I want you to know what's coming to you. The car's nice and clean underneath. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Console's nice. We'll have Jay fired up here. Door handles look good. This thing sounds awesome. Nice little cam to it. Gauges down there working, Jay?
Yeah.
Yep. Car sounds mean.
Coming on, but I'm not getting the channel to come in.
There you go.
There it goes.
Lower motor work?
Yep.
Lower motor works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Check out our Facebook page, another great way to keep in touch with us. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.